Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Yupp AI. So first you open any browser that you are using, either in your laptop or on your phone, and then you will access the official website of Yupp AI and you sign in to your account if you already have one, and if you don't, you can just create an account in just 2 seconds. You just create it with your Google account, and then you will see this page, and as you can see here there is this box to put your prompt. For example, you can type whatever that you want. For example, write story on summer. Then you just click on here to generate, and as you can see here, Yupp AI will generate different options and different responses. You can just read carefully through the responses and compare them and choose the one that you want. Then as you can see here, after it finishes, you can just choose the one that you want. Either I prefer this one, or you can just choose this one, and that's it. As you can see, it is very easy to use it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.